This is considered a car vacuum, a brushless motor vacuum cleaner. It is wireless, portable, and just plug it in with your USB-C and it's really good to go. It's very compact. So you get a lot of tools. I do wish that it came with a little carrying bag, but then nonetheless, this is your vacuum, and it does look very much like a hair dryer. Really solid quality. You have your dust bin here. You've got a filter in there. You would just turn it to take it out. You've got your slim nozzle, which is a universal kind of nozzle. Basically, to start this, you're going to just press this power button right here, conveniently placed. Long press. Press it again for more power, and press it again for the highest. So as you can see, this even lights up. So green is the low, yellow, and red for the high. And you cycle through to turn it off. Here is your USB-C charging cable. You get an extra filter, which I think is great because it is a paperish filter, but it's reusable. And you can just rinse it and wash it. But these things you have to dry completely, otherwise you do get mold. So it's nice to have an extra one in case you need it to keep going. So you've got a whole bunch of different attachments that you can attach. So you've got this very narrow, long nozzle. You've got this little thicker one. You've got a long, wider mouth. You've got even a longer nozzle than this, just to get into those cracks and crevices in your vehicle. You've got a little round brush. You've got this for if you've got fabric sofas. You can easily use this to pick up lint and vacuum up, and another tool. So lots of different tools. You can use it on your home sofa. You can use this at home. You can use this anywhere. It's just a portable, easy to use vacuum. So highly recommend it.
Okay, so here we have the ST6684 Plus brushless vacuum. I'm going to run it through a series of quick tests. As you can see, there's an extra HEPA filter here, including one already inside, and this will also suck and blow. So we'll start off with the suction. We can click it in here. 3 levels, which are all pretty powerful. You can see that does a pretty decent job of sucking stuff up. And then we can also add some attachments. There's the brush one there. That one will be good if you're using it on carpet. But as you can see, it effortlessly picks up dust and dirt. It'd be great for cleaning your car or your computer or anything like that. And then obviously, once you empty it or open it up, it's easy to dispose of as well. Now on the other side, we've got fans. So we'll show you here really quickly. You just put these attachments in and tighten them, turn to tighten. That's the low setting. And on the higher settings, you can see a very powerful little fan we have here. So, all in all, this thing is a beast. And